Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download ZW3D for Windows using the official, safe, and legal method. ZW3D is a professional 3D CAD/CAM software used for product design, and it's a great option for mechanical engineers and designers. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll explain the correct download process, tips to avoid common mistakes. Step 1. Go to the official ZW3D website. First, open your web browser. Now search for ZW3D Official Download. Click on the official ZW3D or directly link in description. Important: always download ZW3D only from the official website. Do not download cracked or pirated versions. They are illegal and unsafe. Step 2. Sign up or log in. ZW3D, first log in your ZW3D account. Step 3. Choose ZW3D for Windows. On the official download page, select ZW3D latest version. Choose Windows version. ZW3D usually offers a free trial, so you can test features before purchasing a license. Step 4. Start download now. Click on free trial or download the ZW3D installer will start downloading. If this video helped you, like, subscribe for more CAD and 3D software download tutorials. Comment below which design or engineering software you want next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.